Text random screenshots Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral add yours trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to go on our Instagram app, of course, and then from here you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and then search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from this page, you have to go to new 2022 March at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. And it's best to go to new 2022 March at highlights. It's this one. Now you have to tap until you find the desired sticker. Just like this, you can check my other viral trends if you like this one for example. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I'll do the story for the video, I will show you from where you can get a tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story and then I will show you that tutorial. So now you can go to upload and choose some 6 random screenshots. So I will go ahead and choose just one. You can add 6, of course. And I will show you how to add the second screenshot. So go and add your first screenshot to your gallery. I will go with this one. Now you have to make it smaller. Click on the image. By using your 2 fingers, then place it right at the top. Then to add your second screenshot, you have to go to stickers from the top of the screen and then you have to scroll down, click to the plus icon and then choose your second photo. Place it where you want and then you have to add your third photo. And once you are happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram account and then from here you have to go to super viral at highlights. And here you will find this first story. If you're not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 2 or 3 minutes. I think it's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you, so make sure to check that if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.